guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be creating this makeup look for RAKSHABANDHAN. Take Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this makeup look for RAKSHABANDHAN. Yes guys, this look is really simple, super easy, super quick, and you can do it within like 10 minutes. And this is kind of a universal makeup look जो आप कहीं पर भी like छोटा मोटा function, so you can wear this makeup. I'm gonna be creating this look now. Let's get started.
Hey guys, so I'm starting my makeup with a very clean face and I'm applying a gel based moisturizer all over my face, massaging it really well into the skin. So now I'm taking a very natural finish foundation very close to my skin tone, and you can either use any brush or beauty blender. You can even use your hands to apply this foundation. And then I'm just gonna highlight my face using one shade lighter concealer. Here I'm using my fingers. You can even use your brush to apply this concealer on the high points of your face. Now just set all the cream products with the powder products. You can either use a compact or loose powder, whichever is available. Then I'm just gonna contour my chubby cheeks and then I will apply a blush and highlighter. I'm gonna provide all the product details in the description box down below so that you can check. Now you can take any bronzer, apply it on your jawline, on your cheekbones, and then just apply a little bit of blush and a highlighter. I just love this glow on my face. I'm gonna use the same highlighter on my eyebrow bone and the inner corners as well. Now just use the same bronzer that you've applied on your cheeks, apply it all over your lids and the crease. And just take any shimmery eyeshadow and apply it on your eyelids. It will give you a very subtle and simple look. Now I'm just applying my favorite Lakme eyeliner. You can even create a wing eyeliner, or if you want a very simple look, you can just create a very short and crisp eyeliner, a very thin or thick as per your choice. And this eyeliner, oh my god, it's really amazing. The tip is like really thin and it's really inexpensive, guys. Now just curl your eyelashes, apply lots of mascara. If you're not a big fan of falsies, you can just apply 2 or 3 coats of mascara and it will give you the same effect. I'm gonna apply lots of mascara and obviously false eyelashes as well. Guys, if you want, you can just skip the false eyelashes and you can just apply mascara like 2-3 coats and it will give you the same effect. And don't forget to apply mascara on the lower lash as well. Even if you're not wearing kajal, it looks really nice when you just put some mascara on the lower lash. Then just take any natural color lip liner and apply it all over your lip. I'm just taking MAC lip liner in the shade Spice and I'm going to be applying it all over my lip. Guys, I really like to overline my lip a little bit, very slightly overline. If you want, you can just keep it natural and you can still get a very subtle effect. And you can just apply this lip liner or any natural lip liner and fill it all over your lip and then you're good to go. But I'm gonna be applying a very nude shade on top of my lip liner. And here it comes, my favorite nude lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. The shade is called Runway Hit. It looks so beautiful even without this lip liner. It looks amazing. And my look is almost done. There you go. I'm all ready for this RAKSHABANDHAN. Please let me know if you like this look.
Okay guys, I hope you really like this video. If you like this makeup look, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also please follow me on Instagram. And till then, see you all next time.